Have anything? Hear you.
All right, so very good morning to everyone. Not sure if everyone can hear me. All right, so today we are going to do something different from the previous lessons. We have received some feedback that the lesson is getting more and more advanced and more tough to understand. And our students are actually quite young to follow the year 6 curriculum. So therefore, for today's lesson, we will just do one quiz to check where are your how are you how do you understand the year 3 lesson materials, so that we can see if there's a need to do another revision. So therefore, we're going to start with a quiz today. So today's lesson will be very short. It's just a half an hour simple quiz to understand if you guys know all the year 3 topics. Based then from the results, then we will check whether if there's a need to go back to revise year 3, year 4, and year 5 topics before we proceed into year 6 topics. So without further ado, let me just open up the booklet now. So today is more of a quiz checking. So in the chat, you can let me know which one you want to play. You want to play Pirates or Crypto or anyone? You can let in the chat know. So we will be going through this fifth, or we do classic. I think we shall do classic today, because my objective is to make sure that you guys know what is actually topic about. So I will leave the tower and the crypto for the homework basis, but for now, let's do together. So I will host this classic game now. So everyone can just join in. It's total 50 questions. So host now. So we're gonna copy the link in the chat. First. All right. So if you can join the quiz, this is the year 3. We are going to look at to see if everyone understands the 3 topics. Let me see if I can. Like I mentioned, the purpose for today's quiz is to see if there's anyone having difficulty in understanding the topics before we're proceeding to year 6 or primary 6 level. This is because many of you feedback me that the lesson is getting more tough. However, you guys are new and there's some issues in understanding. Shall wait a while for at least 12 person to join in. Then we'll carry on the quiz together. Let's start then. Right, what are living things? Are they alive? Are they one part of living thing? Or they are never alive? Right, hang on, just find who, okay, this person is okay. All right, so let's carry on. So what are non-living things? Only one answer only. So non-living things is basically those that do not make any forms of they are not alive and they are also once part of living things. Those who just join in can join the quiz as well. All living things want to survive. Air, food, water. This is the first topic of the team. Next. All right, start. Living things can survive without air. Yes, true of course. You know that living things can survive without something. Air will die immediately, all right?
It can survive for a short period without food, not air.
All right, yes. No. From baby to adult, that's the clue that if you look baby to adult, how? The low person never adult to old. All right, Chip is now first. What will some living things say when they grow? So when they grow, look at a baby, what stage? You grow taller. Maybe your face grow a bit. Mustache for guys, for boys. All right, focus mode. Why do living things eventually die? Air from water, gases or O, or all three are correct. Carry on. Oh. All right, let's do some textbooks. Remember, move, please, stay in the shelter. Let's think of yourself. What you're doing for some food. Where you going to go? Go to the afternoon McDonald's, or you go to lunch McDonald's, or you go somewhere else and get them cold. Answer? Okay, let's carry on. From place to place. Well, once you know that the goods is firmly on the ground. Okay. All right, let's carry on. Okay. Learning some sign languages. Why do living things respond? Well, when we touch something, it will respond, but why? What am I saying? Response. And the tortoise, why the tortoise cut itself and tell being threatened? Because it helps. I can see someone celebrating now. That's very good. Right, Tom, you're first. Not bad. provide the living things to produce. Okay, their own kind won't extinct. All right, so living things reproduce because their own kind won't extinct. Very good. Carry on. Make some toast. So, how do plants get their own food? You know the outside. How do plants get their own food? Plants make their own food. All right, they don't hunt animal. They don't eat the soil. All right. Get ready for the next questions. How do animals get their own food? They eat other living things? Or what? Well, we eat vegetables as well. We eat animals eat other living things, right? Oh, someone choose they eat non-living things. I wonder if they eat wood. All right. How do fungi get food? Fungi is not a plant. So fungi don't have the don't have the ability to do something that a plant can do. So we always eat on something. The answer is number 1. Because they cannot make their own food. All right. Wow, Stella is now. Oh no. Oh, Chip is first. All right. Let's carry on then.
There is now. You can pay attention to the question.
True or false? The answer is
There is a small change. I wrote plants in there.
no worries, no worries. Let's carry on then. The animal kingdom is the biggest group of all living things. True or false? Don't be sad. I saw that on Zoom, some are very sad now. Don't worry. There's still more questions to go. It's just to test this quiz, is just to test your knowledge. There's no prize. I saw Tom very eager to go for next question. What animals with bone and no bone claw? What are animals that have bones, no bone claw? Remember correctly, in the past, right, we done science first series, right? There's mountain claw, the no bones category, and primary. What are they called? They are called vertebrates and teeth. All right, let's see who's the fastest now. All right, still Chip. Tom is chasing Chip now. How many vertebrate subgroup are there? Those, right? Like this lion here. So how many are there? But we are also vertebrate, so we will learn that. There's two subgroups called the warm-blooded and cold-blooded. All right. So there's warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals. These are two subgroups of the animal kingdom. Ready, set, go. Next question. Tigers are cold-blooded. Well, if you say cold-blooded, the boys are cold-blooded. So the answer is warm-blooded. So next questions. What animal can have parents lay eggs, produce food to feed their young? A and B.
No, they may be answers that they may be answers with stuff.
Almost. So what animal can do what? They can actually lay eggs. They can actually you can have some milks. All right, let's carry on. What birds have that? What does birds have? This bird here, what features does this bird have? For the mouth, we saw the body structure, we saw how this works. So the answer is actually all three. There's no result here, but never mind, it's okay. Let's carry on. There's some technical errors. Let's carry on. Next one. Previous to fish, fighting fish, have some fish. What do they have? Swim and a body covered with scales. All right, let's carry on. Wow, they are short, very lightweight. They on air and put their land and they are born with their land. Who am I? It's a very good question. The question is an answer. The answer is in the question already. All right, let's carry on. It is shell egg and termites. It is good combined in the pot and combined climate and it becomes stuck and lies in water. So who are they? Worms have long and strong bodies. True or false? Easy for you all. Look at this and make it clear the answer clear. They have long and strong bodies. Yeah, then. Chip is down first, Tom at the top, and Megan and Ruby Rose. Let's carry on. Which invertebrates they have soft and warm body? Is it bug, pigeon, or none of the birds? They have soft and warm body. Let's carry on. Vertebrates that have skeleton outside their body are called what? Outside their body, carry on. Example of spaghetti. What are some examples of sequence? Octopus, lion, jellyfish, horse, kiwi. All right. What is a sponge? Will you watch SpongeBob SquarePants? We have a sponge. And SpongeBob. Holes. The answer is the number body full of pores and channels. Where are insect teeth located? Skeleton. All right, the skeleton is outside. Let's carry on. Ready your mouse. Where plants can grow on the ground, the tree, the building, the wall, the garden, forest, field, or even the of course. Right, it's still Tom, it's still Chip, Tom, Laken, and Ruby Rose. One cannot go in lake, pond, and rivers. Of course, there's something that we have to think about it. Plant can grow, in fact, there's a lot of seawater and underwater plants as well. Plants that produce flower are known as flowering plants. True or false? This is very clear cut the answer in the question already. Answer in the question already. Plants that produce flowers are known as flowering plants. Pip is still the first, followed by Tom, Nathan, and Ruby. Flowers will develop into fruit that contains, well, in a simple plant, we talk about pollination, fertilization, and physical. So, bring also understanding it's true or false that flower will develop into fruit that contains. Yes, it will. Let's carry on. Glass flowering plant. There's one slide in my year PowerPoint slide. Ask the answer to the yes, no. Glass flowering plant. Yes. Roots are found on the ground. Some plants have roots that are found on the true or false. Let's carry on. Stems are usually found on the ground. However, some plants like iron have All right, let's carry on. Fruits of different plants have different what? Sizes, color, and taste. Apple is this. Banana is this. Then pomelo is big. So different like that is what? All right, now there's a close fight between Chip and Tom. Just 7 marks away. It is located below the ground, responsible for absorbing what of the soil as well as its terminus to the whole plant. What is below the ground? The answer is roots, right? What's below the ground? But roots do what? Roots absorb what? For the soil. There are two things that the roots absorb. So something and something. What does that mean, right? So it is located above the ground, about far in the own by processes. Right. So what are these plants system? Carry on. Something is green in the plant. All plants leaves have this thing. It's something to do with photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants produce what? All right. Plant make the growth to feed themselves as they are living things. True or false? What planet creativity need food, water, earth, life? It's a process that converts solar energy into energy that is used by us. Okay, I think there's some issue with the thing. So let me just see the results here. I think there's one moment. Okay, so let's go through one by one because I think there's some issues. We stop at yeah, here. So question 44. What is the process that converts solar energy into chemical energy that used by a biological system? So photosynthesis is the process where the plant makes its own food by converting sunlight into chemical energy used by the system. All right, so let's carry on. Same thing here as mentioned earlier. Sunlight is converted into chemical energy. All right. So therefore, at a given that after sunlight being converted to chemical energy, water is split into oxygen. Therefore, when plant make its own food, it gives out oxygen instead of carbon dioxide. All right. There's some commotion in the chat. You are in a bus, Tom, is it? Are you in a bus or in the train? Yeah, you are, yes. All right, so let's carry on. So, during the primary 3 chapter, we talked about pollen grain. So, pollen grain actually came from the anther of the plant. Lastly, after the bees or butterfly went to take the pollen grain from the male flower, it will travel to the female flower, and the pollen grain will be stick in the stigma of the flower. All right. These are the 3 examples of the plants that spread their seeds through the wind using the wind dispersal. And these are 3 plants that basically use water to spread its seeds to another place. All right. So with that, right, I roughly know the class demographic here and there. So from next lesson onwards, right, we are going to go back to year 3, year 4, year 5 topics to revise. This time round, we will be doing experiment instead of PowerPoint slides. Meaning to say, I will be zooming experiment through this lesson to explain to you guys on the different concepts. I believe that you guys already know the PowerPoint slide. We have gone through the PowerPoint slide for many times. So this time round, to make you understand, we're going to start revision. And this revision will consist of experiment, whereby I will be, for example, I will be bringing Mannix and circuit and zooming live in this lesson to let you all know and to see what actually happened during experiment. Of course, there will be some homework for you to go and do after the lesson. So I will see you next week for the fresh revision. That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye, teacher.
All right. For the experiment. Thank you.